This is a quick walkthrough of the Spexi World Viewer, the platform we've built to explore drone-captured imagery from across the Layer Drone network. So far, we've mapped over 3.5 million acres of oblique imagery, with coverage in more than 200 cities. And the network is growing fast. Each hexagon on the map is called a Spexigon, a 25-acre zone captured by drone pilots using the Spexi app. At every pink dot, or waypoint, the drone captures a high-resolution 360-degree panoramic image. We capture oblique imagery, so instead of looking straight down, you're seeing buildings, streets, and terrain from a more natural, angled perspective. Vertical imagery capture is coming soon, delivering the structured data needed for orthomosaics, 3D point clouds, and more advanced spatial outputs, including formats like Gaussian splats. Navigation is smooth and intuitive. You can zoom in, pan around the map, and click on any Spexigon to explore what's been captured. If you're looking for a specific location, just type it into the search bar. The World Viewer will automatically center the map on that rooftop or address. As you explore nearby waypoints, the view stays oriented toward the location you searched, helping you maintain spatial context. One of the most powerful features is time series. It lets you view and compare how a location has changed over time, across different drone capture dates. You'll see actual pano previews for each date, giving you clear visual context before you select a panel. Your zoom level and viewing angle are automatically preserved as you switch between dates, so you're always comparing the exact same perspective. You can also bookmark any view to return to it later. Bookmarks save your zoom level and orientation, so when you revisit that spot, you land in the exact same place. If you need updated imagery for a specific area, you can use the Request Data Refresh button. This feature lets you choose a location for an on-demand data refresh or new capture request, with fresh imagery typically available to view as fast as 24 to 48 hours after request. Spexi World Viewer is designed for people who need clean, verified imagery to make smarter decisions, whether that's cities, insurers, infrastructure teams, or analysts. Every image here is captured by a real drone pilot, flying real missions, contributing to a shared global dataset. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the world with Spexi.